What time is it? It's science time! Welcome back to another episode of DIY Science Time. I'm Mr. C, and I'm so glad that you're here to be part of our crew today. We are talking about optical illusions. That's right, things that make our eyes and our brain say, "What is happening?"
What?
And look, I have one right here for us. I've got a blue card and a red card, and they're sitting there, and you're looking at them, and I want to ask you, which one appears to be closer to you? You have one? All right, see if you're right. Did you expect that to happen? Doesn't it look like the red card is in front of the blue card? Well, it's an optical illusion because the cards are not in front of each other like you thought originally. The red card is actually behind it, but I have this corner cut out to make it appear like the blue card is behind the red card. I have another one for you too. I've got these cards right here. I've got a special deck of cards. And these three cards, let me just show you. On top, I've got a DIY science card. I'm gonna take that DIY science time card. I'm gonna put it on the bottom. Snap my finger, and I have a DIY science time card. I'm gonna take that DIY science time card. I'm gonna put it on the bottom. Oh, I snapped beforehand, but look, it popped up front. I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna take that card, put it on the bottom. There you go, it's on the bottom. It's on the bottom. There's another one. And I know what you're thinking. Mr. C, there are 3 DIY science time cards. Well, let me show you something. There are actually no DIY science time cards. How did I do it? Well, it's a little bit of science and magic trickery, but we're going to be talking about optical illusions today so we can have more fun tricking our brains into seeing and believing things that may not actually be true. All right, Alfred, what do we need for materials today? Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.